Reasons why you might not want to buy a RangeMaster side-by-side fridge freezer unit with cooled water, crushed ice and ice cube dispenser on the front. Looks nice. This particular model is, let's have a look, the SXS663 in black. Very nice and spacious. Dispenser on the front. I believe that's the ice maker there at the top of the freezer compartment. iPads are a bit crap for videoing. And it drops the ice down into the bucket, which is integral to the door and the dispenser on the front. So I had this in a matter of 24 hours. I thought, run through the instructions, flush out the system, and I'll have myself a nice cup of cooled water. So here we go. It's nearly at the rim. The trouble is, it continues to drip. Actually, it's not doing as bad as it did it just now. But rest assured, what happens is the drip tray fills up pretty darn quickly. And it's not a very deep drip tray. Okay, problem number one. Let me just chuck some of that water away. Now I want some nice ice. Nice cool ice with my water. So I will put it into ice cube mode. And I think I'll dispense some ice cubes. That's one ice cube. Where's the other ice cubes? But it's certainly made a nice mess all over my floor as well. And I seem to have the one ice cube. If I look up, there's nothing coming out anymore. There's ice cubes jammed up inside that. That nozzle you can see there is the dispenser for the water. And I believe the ice cubes are getting stuck on that nozzle. But if I look at inside, oh look, ice cubes drop all over the floor because they're stuck in the ice cube dispenser, which is a part of the door. And in my mind, that ain't £2 grand well worth spending.